Hey everyone, I'm Jason. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset your GPS on your Uconnect. So this is actually pretty simple. You do have to be pretty quick on it. And for those who are stuck on the startup menu of the GPS, this will also work for you. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to start the car. Don't touch anything. The minute you see this section, now you press and hold this hidden button. Don't let go. And you're going to get this pop-up. Do you really want to erase all user data? And what this does is this will erase all the memory on the GPS. So all the places you visit, anything you entered, if you entered your home address, all that stuff will be deleted. It's like you just got the vehicle. Okay, so that's all to it. Anyhow, that's all I have for you guys today. If you guys have any questions, please give me a comment below. If you like this video, hit those thumbs up. If you want to see more like it, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And like always, thanks for watching and have a great day.